Hey all, this is Dr. Campbell here. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of the course and expectations and let you know that you can reach out to me whenever you need anything. And even if that is to set up a time to chat via the phone, I am available. Okay, so our first screen here is the home screen. This is where I will post all announcements. So each week, basically when I post announcements, they will appear above the fun pictures that we have here. So this is the home page, syllabus, all relevant information here. The course is online. We will not be meeting anywhere. This is a self-paced course. And here is my RBC email, but I also teach at Virginia Commonwealth University. And usually that's a pretty quicker, I check both each day, but I check the VCU one where I teach a few more classes probably about 3-4 times a day. So if you want a quicker response, go for this one. If you're fine with that, you can email me here or via the inbox here on Canvas. I will check all of them. So I will let you please just read a quick skim. I know you won't commit it all to memory, so a quick skim of this. Here's the textbook that you will need. There's a couple, I should say, newer textbooks available, but this is the older one, 2015, and it's the Essentials Edition. The Richard Bland Bookstore does have this text, and it should be rather reasonable. If you have any problems getting this text, or you're getting it late, let me know via email. There are assignments that you need this text for every week. So if you don't have it or getting it late, email me instead of getting zeros. So this is important. Go on and get this text. Email me if you have issues getting it. Please do not be afraid to do that. Yes, email me. Course requirements. We have lots of different types of assignments. You have weekly chapter quizzes, which are on each chapter of the text, which is why you need the text. You also have video exercises and who are the American exercises. Now these are all accessed through Canvas, and they will come up as far as when the assignments are due, so you won't have any problems knowing when they're due. Then we have some weekly chapter plug-in assignments. I'll take you there in a second, but this gives you kind of some information about what the expectations are and the effort that you need to put into those. Then we have a midterm and a final project. 17 points total, and I will give you instructions for these as we get closer. 27th is the last day to withdraw without the F. I will be posting a syllabus on here very shortly, so by the time you probably view this, I will have it up there. Then we have, this is very important, the discussion board posting tips and netiquette. So please read through this. And before you post things to the assignment tab, to the discussion board, it's always a good idea to put that information in a Word document so you can check it for spelling errors, grammatical errors. That Word will help you see. And then down here, and this is just you guys at the bottom of the course syllabus sheet, this is just helpful to view so you can see kind of when things are due. So every week you have, it's the same thing. So you'll get into a rhythm after probably 2 weeks, and that is there's a video you have to watch with questions. There is another video that you watch with questions, different types. These, the first one does an issue associated with the subject matter of the chapter. The next one's kind of more focused, is looking at the demographics of our nation. Then we have these chapter plug-in assignments. The introductions are the only week that you have that, so that's the only thing different from week 1 on. And then you have a quiz on all the material. So it's the same each week, folks. So you'll get into a rhythm with this, and then you'll be good to go. The only writing that is required in this course is these end of week plug-in assignments, and probably the first 2 weeks you'll have a little bit harder understanding my expectations, but then you will understand them because I will point to individuals that do a great job and tell you this is what you need to do to get an A. And say you don't do so well the first couple weeks, but you improve that based on my feedback, I will not let that stand in the way of you getting an A for the course. It's all about effort in my courses. Okay, so modules. I won't bore you too much with this. So the modules are by chapter. the quizzes here, announcements. I'm looking for, I think we're going to have to go to discussions. Yeah, those are the quizzes. They become available just during the week in which they're due. So we have the introductions, and then you have your plugin assignments. So down here would be chapter 1. And so it does tell you in the back of the text, you have the right text if this is what you see on the back on page 23. These are the 2 things that you're supposed to do in week 1. And I want a full paragraph or 2 for each of these answers. And if you have any questions, please email me. So you guys, this is a quick introduction, but if you have questions, I'm very responsive. I want you to do well in this course. You will do well if you put forth the effort. And if anything comes up, just email me and we can work through it. But asking for forgiveness after something is due is not going to work for you in this course. Okay, folks, again, Dr. Campbell here. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Bye-bye.